Hi guys, today is Friday and time is 12 58 12:59, almost 1 p.m. in New York, and it's May 12th, basically Friday, May 12th, 1 p.m. in New York, almost. Yes, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a plan, and how to come up with a plan, how to come up with a game plan, and how to beat this market, and how you guys can make $5,000 a week. Okay, $5,000 a week is easy for me, but it's little bit probably going to be difficult for you guys. But you have to make a plan for that. Okay, it doesn't happen overnight. What I mean by it's easy for me to make $1,000 a day, it's probably going to be a little bit difficult for you if you're starting this. But I suggest you to make like maybe $500, whatever your sweet spot is. Excuse me, whatever your sweet spot is, basically. Okay, so let's go with a disclaimer, guys. Trading is risky. You can lose most of your money. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take advice from. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor or a broker, so most people, beginner trader and all, they lose 95%, 100%, I can say. They will going to lose money. If you are like professional trader and all, you probably going to make money, but most people, they do. 98 to 99% people, they do lose money. Okay, so please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take advice from. So let's get to the trading side now. So it depends what's your sweet spot. So my sweet spot is like a sweet spot is like almost like $1,000 a day. It's easy for me to hit that goal. I can even make $10,000 a day, but for me, I love doing $1,000 a day. So you need to figure out what is your number. You need to ask that question. So hit that number for 5 days and check how much money you guys can make. Okay, make sure that goal, whatever you are having it should be not hard. It should be easy for you to hit that goal. So some people is like easy to make $100. Some people is easy to make $200. For some people it's easy to make $500. For me it's like $1,000 easy, no doubt. Okay, so I'm going to trade today. The market is already down. S&P 500 is already down to 260 points already, and there you go. The time right over here is almost like a 1. And let's see what we can do. Just want to scan the market. Wicks and all, they are up today, no doubt. Gold is a little bit up, no doubt. Gold is not that up. So Dow Jones is down. SPY, QQQ, Meta. Data is still loading. Okay. Apple, Nvidia, so all this one, they really don't move that much. So what I care about, like Amazon, Tesla, these are the stocks. I'm going to move them out from the list because they don't move that much. Even if they do, the option doesn't work out, so it really doesn't matter. All right, guys. The Tesla is having some type of a volume. Let's see how we can do today with Tesla or maybe SPY. Just trying to see which I'm gonna make a play with. Let me just check SPY right now. What SPY is trying to do. All right, guys, I'm gonna go with SPY right now. All right, let's. All these are like zero DT options basically. I'm gonna go with SPY. I've already bought 55. The goal is to make like $500 to $1,000, but that's my goal. Okay, your goal, I have no idea. So you need to come up with a goal. How much? What's your sweet spot is? So again, trading is risky. Uh, we don't guarantee. I don't guarantee that you're gonna make money. Basically, yes. But I know how to trade. I've been trading for a long period of time. That's the reason I make money, no doubt about it. So you have to come up with a game plan, guys. I'm sorry you if you guys can hear some background noise. My kids are here, and they did not go to school because they were sick. I did not send them to school. I'm holding 165, almost 200 options. They cost me like, some of them cost me like 59 cents, like a dollar moving average. So I already hit my mark, guys. A little bit more. Yes, sold $1,700. That's how trading. This is how I trade. Less than 10 minutes, guys. I have already passed my mark, $1,775. And let's see how many. This we have traded 450 options. They have a commission rate. Just to let you guys know, they have a commission rate. So, guys, that's a very good money. This is a very good money, no doubt. So this is how you should be coming up with a game plan. Game plan is very simple. First, I'm going to give you 5 tips. First, you have to come up with a plan. What's your sweet spot? Okay, what is your sweet spot? How much money excites you? Okay, in a day, or you want to make. You cannot put like $10,000 your target, which you're going to fail. just to let you guys know, if you are not a professional trader, if you are losing money anyway, you will gonna lose money. Okay, I know you want to make $100,000 also, but that's not reality. Let's talk about reality. For you, if you're losing money, you should be making only $100 to $200. Okay, do that for 5 days. That's how you need to set up. Second thing, you have to understand the trading, what I mean, supply and demand. You have to know supply and demand, no doubt. Those are the tips. Then third thing, you need to find out on your platform which is the liquid options. I don't trade. You see these guys, I don't trade GameStop, I don't trade NIO or Neo. I don't trade all those crazy things. I trade specifically one, like I like to trade Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta. Those are the one I like to trade. Tesla, because they are liquid stock. They move. Options move too. So that's the third point. Fourth point, basically, you have to spot the buyers and sellers. You have to spot the buyers and sellers. If you don't know how to spot them, you're going to lose money. Fifth point, stick to your rule. Sticks to your rule. That's the fifth point. Basically, that's the main point. Do not change your plan. Do not change your plan just because it's going up or it's going down. If you already make that money, you should be executing the trade and you should be going on your way. Fifth point, basically follow all the four points. Basically, that's what it is. Okay, spot the buyers and sellers. Okay, make sure your options are very liquidated. Second thing, learn to look for the supply and demand. Okay, basically for the setup, and make sure you have a set goal to make how much you want to make in a day. Basically $100, $200, $500. This is how much I make, because I've been trading for a long period of time. And do not trade over. And once you make your money, go on your way. Once you make your money, go on your way. Do not wait. Don't watch this screen. This screen makes you go crazy. Trust me when I say that. Okay, this screen makes you go crazy, because guess what? This screen is the one who tells you, oh, there's another opportunity coming over here. That's right. But this will going to make you play and you're going to lose. This can turn into bearish. This can turn into bearish until unless you know how to spot the sellers. Then it's fine. Like I said, things, you have to come up with a game plan. If you don't come up with a game plan, you will never going to make money. You will never going to make money in trading. All right, guys. So this is what my simple way of trading is. Okay. First of all, you have to check how much money you want to make. You have to write it down. Okay, $100, $200. Second of all, you have to check the liquid options which are moving. SPY, these are very, very good options. SPY, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Google, and Tesla. Those are the one which is like liquidated options. Second of all, then you have to come up with, learn how to spot the supply and demand. You have to learn. Fourth, you have to learn this buyers and sellers. If the buyer is selling it, if are they buying it? So, then there are a lot of things. Basically, you have to check the volume. You have to check the time. Time is right over here. Also, you can see this time. I basically, most of the time I'm watching the seconds, because this is a 1 minute chart. It's a 1 minute chart, and this is a 5 minute chart. So I'm most of the time I'm like watching my seconds. Basically, is the candlestick going to settle up, down, what exactly? Okay, so that's what I am doing it. So you have to watch that. No matter what, you have to watch it. It doesn't work out like that. Oh, I'm not going to watch the time, then it will not going to work out. The volume, time, and you should learn when the market is ready to move up, when the market is ready to go down. Those are the basic things. These things is not that difficult, but if you know how to spot these things, you guys can make money, no doubt. This is a broker from Lightspeed, just to let you guys know. It's a broker from this is a website which is a broker which is charging me $150 per month for the platform, and 30 cents per contract. 30 cents per contract. I have traded already 450 contracts. Okay, so please check how much if probably I don't know what kind of broker you guys are using, but if you should be using something like a professional broker, not like a Robinhood or something like that, which doesn't charge you. But the the free broker is always you pay the price. Okay, just to let you guys know, you pay the price. What you get is like what you paid is what you get. That's what it is. I'm paying for this broker. I get a very good feel. I get a very good spread. There's no spread also, so that's the thing. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to close this window. Thank you anyway. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you again for watching my video. Please hit a subscribe button and hit a like button. I really appreciate if you do that, please, because all I'm asking for you, I'm not asking for any money. Just let you guys know, I'm not telling you, hey, hit pay me. All I'm asking for you to subscribe and to hit a like button. That's all I'm asking. That's the favor what I ask for. That's it, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, that's it. All I'm asking for, subscribe and hit that like button. I will really appreciate when you do that. Seriously. Thank you very much, guys. Guys, please stay in peace and always stay blessed. Peace is more important. If you don't have a peace, you'll not able to trade. Your mindset, peace is more important. That's the reason I say, like, stay in peace and the blessing will gonna follow. So that's more important. Stay in peace, guys. Okay, peace is more important no matter what. If you have a disturbed mind, you should never trade. If you have a disturbed mind, you should never trade. So please stay in peace and stay blessed. All right, guys, thank you very much again. All the best. Bye.